Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in greater detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we are ready to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to overlook any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.97. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.57% since we first listed Amazon as a buy candidate 33 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.32% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the strong rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With the trend now disrupted, there will be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $227.57. A reaction back to this level may provide a second opportunity to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 23.77% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 24.44% and 33.54%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 13.42%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.63% to 27.98% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $197.76 and $289.68. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock price up approximately 0.292% on Tuesday. The Amazon stock price experienced an increase of approximately 0.292% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. It rose from $225.69 to $226.35. This marks a gain over 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this trend continues or if the stock will take a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 0.81%, with a low of $225.46 and a high of $227.27. The stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by approximately 3.17% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 34 million shares exchanged, amounting to around $7.67 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the stock price is approximately 6.67% or $16.17 below the 52-week high and 82.66% or $1,078.85 below the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon has announced a significant investment of $100 million in its AWS Generative AI Innovation Center. This move underscores its commitment to artificial intelligence and aims to support businesses in integrating AI into their operations. In the short term, this innovation could enhance AWS's competitive edge, boosting its growth and potentially driving higher stock prices. Additionally, Amazon has partnered with SpaceX to launch the next batch of its Kuiper Internet satellites, marking a strategic collaboration that could increase its reach in the satellite internet space. This expansion could attract new customers to AWS, further positively impacting revenue. Despite some headwinds, including fluctuations in consumer spending and rising tariffs, Amazon stock has remained fundamentally sound. Recent analyst upgrades have set price targets significantly above its current valuation, indicating a bullish outlook. With the consensus strong buy rating from analysts, there is optimism about its growth trajectory. However, investor sentiment remains cautious due to external economic factors. In the long term, Amazon's focus on AI and its continued dominance in e-commerce position it well for sustained growth, likely leading to a positive impact on its stock price amidst broader market recovery. Overall, the strategic investments and partnerships, coupled with favorable analyst sentiment, provide a robust outlook for Amazon stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. Amazon stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating an optimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any declines, support levels are observed at $223.53 and $214.60. A drop below any of these thresholds could trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 12.62%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 35 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a healthy volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.82, representing an increase of 0.81% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A PE ratio of this nature is generally considered normal, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts are expecting consensus estimates to be $1.32. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help decide when to exit. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources remains neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Jeffrey P. Bezos, who bought and sold 6,816,505 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power, with a ratio of negative 97.162. In total, insiders acquired 213,995 shares, while selling 14,762,712 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $219.38, reflecting a decrease of 3.08%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 34 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate Amazon will open higher by approximately 830 cents and begin trading at $226.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target price for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.